Assalamu alaikum. We are still presenting this paper exam of January 2021, paper 1H. Today we will solve question number 14. So this is question number 14 to talk about Ding is going to play one game of snooker against each of two of his friends, Marco and Jad. So the probability tree diagrams gives the information about probabilities that Ding will win or lose each of these two games. So the first question here, work out the probability that Ding will win both games. So we have the keywords here is both, where both mean always its intersection. So we are talking about that he will win the first game and the second game, okay, in both games. So mean that we are talking about zero point 0.6 and zero point 0.9, which is mean that he will win in both games. So both always mean intersection, and this is two independent events that he win in the first and in the second game. It's two independent event. So we are talking about zero point 0.6 and zero point 0.9 since we have two independent events, so and always mean multiplication, so it's mean that zero point 0.6 times zero point 0.9, which is the answer is 0.54. So this is the answer of the first part. In the second part B, work out the probability that Ding will win exactly one of the games. So exactly one mean he will win the first game and he will lose the second, or he loses the first game and he will win in the second. So we have two keywords here. We have and we have or. So and, as we mentioned in the first part, mean multiplication. But what about or? Or always in the probability language, it's mean union or mean add, which mean plus. So here we are talking about that he will win in the first game, but he will lose the second one. So zero point 0.6 and zero point 0.1, but and, as we mentioned, it's multiplication. Then we will say or, but or always, it's mean plus. So plus what? Plus he will lose the first game, but he will win in the second game. So we talk about 0.4, which is mean he lose the first game, and 0.25 he will win in the second one. So we are talking about 0.4 and 0.25, as we mentioned it, and mean multiplication also. So here do your calculation. Okay, 0.6 times 0.1 plus 0.4 times 0.25. Find the answer, which is 0.16, which is the answer of this part. This is about question number 14. Thank you for watching us. See you next video, inshallah.